Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, we are still in lesson 3. The concept of gender is being discussed, and we want to try and get a better understanding of this concept in today's presentation. The activities for lesson 3D, the answers to those activities can be found on the link below. But what I want to focus on is on page 39. On this particular activity, we needed to tick the correct box. So let's look at duha. Is duha sign 1, 2 or 3, A, B or C? So we identified as sign 3, alif maqsura. Safra'u, sign 2, alif mamduda. Zakatun, sign 1, ta marbuta. Untha, sign 3, alif maqsura. Baghda'u, sign 2, alif mamduda. Yusra, sign 3, alif maqsura. Sufaha'u, sign 2, alif mamduda. Usra, sign 3, alif maqsura. And number 9, salatun, ta marbuta, sign 1. We can now focus on today's presentation, the new lesson, lesson 3E. On this particular slide, I have 6 Arabic words with its English meaning. Now, what is common between these words is that they are dealing with parts of the body. So look at Ainun is eye, Yadun is hand, Rijlun leg, Wajhun face, Anfun nose, Ra'sun head. What is not common is that the ones on the right hand side are feminine in pink, and the ones on the left hand side are masculine in blue. Now, why do we have this distinction in gender, masculine and feminine? The reason is because the ones on the right are parts of the body in pairs. 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 legs we have. While the ones on the left are parts of the body not in pairs. 1 face, 1 nose, and 1 head is what we have. So because of that, we now understand a general principle or rule in Arabic pertaining to gender. Body parts in pairs are generally feminine. Now we understand that when we take our body, the human body, and when we look at the different parts in the human body, those that are in pairs will be generally feminine. There are exceptions to that particular rule. For example, we look at the word dhira'un, which means arm. Now we have 2 arms. It's supposed to be feminine, but it is masculine, an exception to the rule. Khaddun is cheek. We have 2 cheeks, supposed to be feminine, but it is masculine. Marfiqun means elbow. We have 2 elbows in pairs, supposed to be feminine, it's masculine. Hajibun is eyebrow. We have 2 sets of eyebrows, supposed to be feminine, but we find it to be masculine in Arabic. So these are just examples which are exceptions to the general principle. We can now refer to the book or the notes. Page 40, lesson 3E, gender, body parts in pairs. Did you know that body parts in pairs are generally feminine? Yadun is hand. We have 2 hands, feminine. Ainun is eye. We have 2 eyes, feminine. Rijlun is leg. 2 legs. It's in pairs, so it is feminine. Shafatun lip. 2 lips, so we understand it to be feminine. Shafatun can also be understood to be feminine when we look at the ta marbuta at the end of the word. Now these are all Quranic examples, and we have learned now that these 4 examples, for example, are in pairs and they are feminine. So this is how we remember these words, and and we treat them as feminine when we come across it in the Quran. Moving on to page 41, the activity number 1, write the correct Arabic words. Here in the middle are the Arabic words, so you must fill in the correct answer looking at the picture. Which Arabic word will fit into the appropriate picture? If you cannot write Arabic for whatever reason, then do write the transliteration. Moving on to number 2, color the masculine body parts in blue and feminine in pink. Whatever is going to be body parts in pairs will be feminine pink, and whatever are body parts not in pairs will be the blue color. And lastly, learn the new words. Unuqun is neck, ka'bun ankle, udhunun ear, qalbun heart, batnun stomach, wajhun face, anfun nose, and ra'sun head. So that's all for today, inshallah ta'ala. The next time we'll meet, we will continue our discussion on gender. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.